Okay. Makalo Therasi, Narang, Quina Takibada, optical discs. I was in Matang, the Koi Takre. Optical discs as it is the Nasi, Nainagadori, DVDs. Digital video discs are the Sodom, Okay, Haine, digital versatile discs are the Haine DVDs. Digital versatile discs is in genre of optical discs with same overall dimension of CD but much higher capacity having. Mase anova generation amagumbani optical discs se sorry DVD is optical discs ki magi dimension kari kara chap manai thaba manai pakpa manai chap manai ko manari ba po sidai sida khenari je karino hai targadi just only higher capacity ko higher capacity se sikakne. This can store at least 7 times more than CD-ROM. CD-ROM se 700 MB ne aina hai. Koi like the 680 MB haram bane. Hujik sidai sida lakadoi se 1.4 sabe la kya no moi bani ko DVD ki se. Sigi storage se lakadoi ne 1 GB में है store to रही निको. This drive support MPEG-2 standard for the compression of data. Ngarang kansanang na hangbada ay na haige bado. Makoy gi data format se kenare. Manas is the MPEG-2 se compression data se support to re. Aduga DVD sigi extension se kay laini hai ka ngarang haige bado VOB. Aduga CD gina .dat hari base sumaina lakpani ko masi karai dala I hai kan the video format ni otherwise na koi na data oina store to matam da whatever amadazu support to riba amadazu support to riba do adimak gyagane hai badi CD rom the support to ngami ba data do you can store you can keep those datas in onto the DVD hai base sulai ko. The high compression of DVD film DVD films necessitates either a very fast Platinum 2 processor or an MPEG card for decoding. Nasai akoina encode to gitargadi madu decode to ba mchangi koina kaigumba data si onsil hairaga onthokpa mchangi computer dadi aduna ne koina yam kana binary guys ngasai data se compress toksang matungda masi hayeng na koina ga thengnar kini data encryption ase schematic importance oiba adugumba terminology ama kaktang ni koi computer gi lon dadi ka dual layer ngasai DVD sida sum kai thole dual layer haiba thole dual layer DVD discs have 8.5 GB capacity on a single side. Using both sides, capacity comes up to 17 GB. See, nakoi na kaya thing na niya nakoi hojik thoin ki hangagadi hairiba sige DVD gi dual layer si thing na grabra hagadi thing na di haidoi ne no haidoi. Hangso hange ko hojik nakoi si thing na grabra. Nakoi kemkanda DVD sida 17 GB gi data yaw ba thengnagra braba noi thengnaramni ko na koi gi day to day life ta amongst you people ko kana gumam di soy dana thengnaramagada bo poni kari no hai kana koi no koi na hoy Korean gi drama episode kun muka yaw bodo DVD ma da pulap yorok ba thengnagra ba thengnagra ko na koi atai kana thengnagra DVD ma da episode kun yorga lakpa koi drama mayam lakidna ko isam samna makoi du kari koi gi maming hekpallabada green rose kana na hoi gi ariba laidna adagi stair way to heaven gana. Rameshwari thengnagraba thengna nupi sing ne yeng bane misidi.
Ada sana we had khangam with her.
Aisu yengi bagi ni haise. Aisu yengi bagi kaigna da khoina matam du 2000 ka 7 8 adai da ni green rose adagi koi adugumba du khara du sum manipur machajing na laira ga pusalak pa yeng se dvd station da data je sugi matik chawe episode amam da pung amam ni pung amam du dai du dvd du dai du pung kun gi data yar pa ha je koi na matam du da kari no je khanging phaugi ba ko then akoi kedogi google have say akoi guru ni ko one of the we can respect teacher or guru is google and have yari google search the matam da kai thengna gi dual layer dvd discs can store up to 17 GB yan daraba aduna hauji akoi na dual layer haire se kaino hakanda make akoi DVD do akoina hang to akoina yeng ba kot padi akoi tawgide because we are not expert adagi housing so akoina hairakani sigi DVD se dual layer na tabra akoina yeng ba matam do almost similarity ne like this DVD sing se and akoina masida is the karamana dual layer no haise animak se comparison tawdri matam di akoi kitang khangtok pa wana dum chatkane ba however akoi adu hojik ekhoina to do madu khantok padu natte ko koina to do kaino we just need to keep the information that a dual layer dvd discs have a data storage capacity up to 17 GB yantai ko sigi posi lakadoin the large storage capacity on the dvd broaden its multimedia possibilities. These discs have backward compatibility and can read CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, CDR, and CD audio storage media. One of the important factors is that you do not need any special interface for a DVD drive. Nasagi sigi dual layer sigi kana basina kaino haikanda masi akoigi backward compatibility hapsaleba backward haibadi hanagi mamangda leiba magi technology do hanagi mamangda leiba hanagi technology haitaragadi CD-ROM CD-ROM CDRW da hujik adagi CD audio storage media sida paaba yaramme haibadi thaba yaramme ba dubo ikoina thengnagi bijingdudi maximum yagibrane yagide ko adu nakoi yango nakoi na khangdringai matamda nakoi na gyan tasandringai matamda hairiba dual layer gi disk se nakoi gi ngasi dagi na sahi mari manga sahi taram ki mamang da haiba yabro thengnagrabane ba dual layer dvd se aduga ebd sina koi ikui dana sahi taram ki mamang adum siju dum sahi taram ki mamang da dum haiba yare ko ebd gana gai as more the CD player pangdre EBD player pangena hydro EBD sisu adugumba makhalgi DVD sidagi mathangda lakne ba Blu-ray disc ko sibu thaba yaba kangbu jingni EBD gana laije Blu-ray gana koi lakigani sisu one of the kedoba most advanced technology ni DVD dagi laise ko aduna aikoina hojik computer gi matang de hek thengnarakpa jingse akoi maximum khangjinaba dum nakoida click tawna hono mass storage device mass storage refers to the storage of large amount of data in a persisting and machine readable format. Storage media for mass storage include hard disks, floppy disks, flash memory, optical disks, magneto-optical disks, magnetic tape, drum memory, punch tape, mostly historic. Hairiba mayam singa se mass storage ki device ki manung sida isda challe adoi tadi koi na ngarang na handagi ne nergi wa secondary storage ma'am sing say mass storage device never. Well, so the hard disks ziga equino zig yam kanna mentally uzik new technology in a season there is a hard disk azini hard disk sigi mohuta koi uzik sigi flash memory type se the SSD gana koi laeka SSD gana uzik optical disks ka zidisum nowadays is becoming obsolete, but as of now simultaneously hard disk ne optical ne dum seasonary pen drive ko koi na flash memory ga hari bujing se pen drive kumba sigum machine hen seasonary punch tape se seasonary drum memory magnetic tape these are almost obsolete ko era and I go koi kana gum the punch card seasonary ga koi seasonary drum ne megano hojik se dai se ngo akhoi ATM card se dai se da magnetic strip ama yaudra abuba machel ama madu daiduda adaiduda akhoi hujik kari dawi haikanda akhoi accounts ki oiba aigi cards aigi accounts ka mari leinabado maduda store tawri ne samjam no nai ATM dagi paisa withdraw to matum da card bacha dum thinjale ha nangi account dagi directly paisa withdraw to wi are isi kitang akhoi kai hatare scientific lom daga haitare natraga na koi mamang gi orthodox people sing daga haidar chamatkar miracle ne haidoi ne asengbadi madudai to ise magnetic strip to dai da nangi data store to ri ne aduna ekoi data store to matam da mostly ko koi magnetic se na dum season madu chip yaw nate but now it is kai dore ATM card si da ju chip yaw thole thola dra adugi pin du na muk nangi connect to matung da details sing do madudagi lawdoi ne ba hojiki hariba single akoi gi sim gi mai man ba adai do the data store to ga leiri ne aduna mase ekoina amuk section ga dabse kaino technology je lakpa matam da ekoini shani section ga dabse asukki matik ekoi gi data se yamna line mang ba yai haiba je masi musu na koina khaga ki batamo ki hogda targadi soide news social media daga seasonary ba akoi gi Facebook ka na dai like ki anga mem seasonary sing se masi gyan na seasonable oitargadi phayeba gyan dana seasonable oitargadi makoi mangzaba mayam am lakaneba hoi hojikti cyber crime haiba adugumba unit cell am leirabnina ekoina madu kai ko kanagumba amna lana torokpa matamda ekoina makoi gi matakta case nung tobudi yai but before using those service application you must know what are the benefits and what are the demerits or drawbacks of those particular applications masi khangau daga de tayo anyways equation mass storage tung lakse ko mass storage include device with removable and non removable media it does not include random access memory so remember this point nasai ki mass storage na hairko matam jida akoi si nasai si da ju maming pirin ko mass storage include hairaga hard disk floppy disk flash memory blah 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 ko akoi si till punch card for pd and this device includes removable and non-removable media but it does not include random access memory that is the primary storage and that is temporary so remember one thing that in a temporary storage media you cannot store a large amount of data large amounts store to and you cannot keep those data permanently next amuk yengse USB thumb drive akoi USB se thumb drive so hairaga khangni USB ji long form je kaino akoi masi anama matam da yamna toina seasonable word ni USB hairibase magi abbreviation se sida ju pire ko universal serial bus na si khangjalo do ko a USB thumb drive consists of flash memory aina sa hai do pen drive se sida flash memory is dai matang dum palli dana ko adun flash memory is flash memory data storage device integrated with a USB 1.1 2.0 housing market to pangise 3.0 la ni ko see adum yengo na khoi gi lirik sing je kitang khoi ke ha tare syllabus sing update tau da begini, but when we explain, okay, we are ready to provide the latest information, and we also include those informations ka. Then is 3.0 yoramni hojik magi version se version khenabagi matung ina magi functionality da khaga dum loina khenai. USB se 1.1 se tapi data transfer tawbu khotpada 2 jina muk khara thui 2 dagi muk 3 jina muk data transfer tawbu da thui yebo ko masi koina khangada. USB thumb drives are typically removable and rewritable. Yes, obviously ekoina kaidawi USB se ekoina ngarang OTG nama nainagi dana ko OTG na OTG ko on the go na USB is no kari hage hai kanda plug ko and play hai plug and play makoi je kaidawi makoi je hek hapchan baga adu masa matan da system se da sida configure tawrakane ba nakoi na hayang kai nganda system se da sida koi gi USB ma tinjan ma matam da system tray icon gi manak to da koi gi new device found ga na tharak ba or device is installing ga na tharak ba du ma thengna gane ba ko makoi sing duni plug and play and hayrak ka doise. These devices are much smaller than a floppy disk and also almost weight less than 30 gram. 30 gram dagi hena tai haibani ekoina masi floppy du di amuk pai nahan ekoina haigib du inchi kya gino mari gi ahum gi adumaina haigir ko sidai sida piri sina yamna pi khubi muk chaw ne dum khunau bi muk chaw ne jik pen drive sida so hen pixel ko mayam su yaw re ko duna ekoi smaller than ni kana dagi floppy disk dagi ni even kaino dagi su pi koi gi mass storage device mayam sing sida mana khoi dai pik pa dugum storage device ne haiba yare. Magnetic disk partition, sorry, managing disk partition haibani sina ekoi partition se ekoi samna partition ase yum da ju dum thengnaramani koi ka khaidokpa khotpa yum chowam sagala ga ju ka khaidokpa adumai tawdana nangi hard disk se da ju nangna leiruriba nangi storage device se masi khaidokpa yai. Pen drive ta ju dum partition khaidokpa yai. Pen drive se koina leiru kanda pen drive se gi manung da partition thokpa khaidokpa yai ohum thokna khaidokpa yai madugi potuni sidai sida haige doise. Adubu sidai sida koina muk kedawe ka je khaidokpa matamda sagi primary computer gi oina ko adagi secondary lakani secondary sidai sida makhal kharam lakini ko yengse. A partition is the structural division of a physical disk drive. Although a drive can contain a single partition, larger volumes are often divided into multiple partitions. Single partition khaktang di yawbi yai drive amada taimsung large volume la kan di mase multiple partition da khaidore karigi namakta no multiple partition khaidore se koina hojik yengo isam samna school se dai sida class kya daina kya bulai school amada class 1 dagina class 10 log lai classing se khaidoi ko class 1 gi na class 2 gi class 3 gi na tongan tongan na khaidoi even adugi ngasai class 1 gi dai da section na satra je masing ya magadi section A B na tongan tongan na loina khaidok tra masi khaidoi je kidoi no koina manage to nu ngai na bane satra ji koina lairik taklak po matamda section amaga syllabus is properly chatnaba satra du jingju kedoba masing du yamdana kama da leire harga ozasina taklakpada mana taiba information sing ado yamna phajana marik chumna satra jingju na khangma ngamnabagi space ama pibado madune bada ka tais. Likewise adamai tawduna koi noren computer se da data sing si store tor ko matamda koi gi data sing si karamba data sina karai da legini kamaina thamgani habisa user oiribai koina organize tor ko doine system na ju khara mukhai de dum tawrai kari system da install tawriba file mayam sing se maru ina C drive to loina thamakani hairiba jing si de leijay other than aduna taba ataijing adudi koina tarakadineba duna large volume se lakpa matamda multiple partition ase khaidorakaduni multiple partition khaidorakudi maramduni kaina hairisa. This is why you might have drive C, D, and E, even though your computer has only a single physical hard disk. Nangi computer si the hard disk ama khaktang leijata argazu you may have or might have ka C natraga D natraga E natraga E, even nangi computer duna single partition leijargazu sidagi henbasu yarupa yai ka as ai yamna partition khaidok sarga nungaire audio isai hapagina drive ama photo hapagi drive ama video hapagi drive ama English ki isai hapagi drive ama Hindi ki isai hapagi drive ama na you can divide. Yes, hard disk da jusi ki divide tor ko matamda magi limit ama laigani ko partition kya thamba ya ba haibase partition se primary oina ikoi ahum gum ba dumaina thamba ya adude hin gi targadi maze extended partition na laani ko sida primary partition na extended partition na haije primary partition je ngasagi karino hai kanda system du da nangi hard disk du da primary oina thamba main oina ko madugi potuni lakadise masi ai horen aigi keno do oina ulakke hojikidi matam leidi mina se sathagise. The Windows 2000 operating system support the following partition types. Yes, as a primary partition, extended, and system partition. High division house aina seasonary sidaju dum partition u pangane ko masi ai okay. This is the primary partition. See, this is the only type of partition that can have an operating system installed. Primary partition sida nangi operating system se install to we adeba. Other than sidagi hena yaro. Koi primary partition mana sida extended sida logic haibam logical haibam so lay ko partition se. Adu logical se koi horin je na si logical sida lay. Ningsing gadab se kaino key points se. Primary partition is only type of partition that can have an operating system installed. Each drive can have as many 4 primary partition. Okay, I say 3 sorry. 4 primary partitions. Is assign a different drive letter. C D E has a karikawi hakanda drive letter. Next, extended partition. An additional partition that can be subdivided into multiple logical drive. Sida yaure ko ngasai logical do. Makoi se karino sina extended name. Each assign a unique drive letter. Ngasai cha mane angka jo dum letter adum assign to ni. A drive can have only one extended partition. Drive hard disk only one extended partition levi. However, you can divide this partition into multiple logical drive. This enables a disk to have more than just the 4 allowed primary partition. I audio suppose na D thamage video na E thamage photo na F thamage adagi English ki audio na G da thamage Hindi ki audio na H da thamage na hairako matam sida sikedawe sidai sida ngasagi 4 primary partition has a single drive kiniko each drive has a drive ke gumba mari yaw targadi primary partition kya lebe are mari 33 ko 16 ani leragana nipan drive machine dugi makha pole ko siningsingo ai sige je ai gi system da dum okay. System partition. Any primary partition containing an operating system, system partition. File system. File system is the method for storing and retrieving file on a disk. Hello. I ngahakang lerga toroke. Okay, the file system is the method for storing and retrieving files on a disk. It is system software that takes commands from the operating system to read and write the disk cluster groups of sector. The file system manages a folder directory structure which provide an index to the files. Masagi sida hairisi kaino file system se method ni kari dawnaba method storing and retrieving files on a disk. Akoi ngarang memory se nainar ko matamda koi track and sector singzida ista kaidawa data is store tawni haidara ko madugi store tawu matamdu da retrieve tawu matamdu da seasonary ba adugum system du kari kawi haidara the file system machi kaino it is the software need that takes command from the operating system to read and write the disk cluster asagi kaidawa group of sectors and haidai aikoina digital oibanina pen drive se dai da ina just pen drive se ektinjan maga data hapsan ba yade ba kaidawi sai operating system se dai da nang pen drive to detect to gi timing am lawi pen drive to open to ba yari se kino operating system na loina command piri ne habdi aina pam matam da aina operating system se da hairi ne ba ai pen drive se open to pami ai da di pen drive to open to hon se kana na yali operating system. So without the operating system you cannot operate a computer. File system it is the software it is the software system software it takes command from the operating system to read and write the disk cluster. The file system manages the folder or directory. Folder so high directory so high folder natragana directory se dum chummi haibadi masi kino kono folder semu gana semi bizindo maduni ko structure which provide an index to the files. Masagi ko ni index haibadi kino karai da yawi haibase karai da yawi haibase kamai na kangi hai kanda isam sam na ko na folder am sange folder dugi mathang do folder ama mathang dugi mathang do folder ama. For example, si folder am laire si jigi matung do folder am laire manung du da si manung jong sub folder am laire sida ju sub folder am laire but data je ko na sida yawi hai targadi ai sida la ka du ni masi kino index to ni pa. It defines the syntax used to access them, how the path to the file is coded. The file system detects how files are named as well as the maximum size of the file or volume. There are numerous file systems in use, for example, FAT32 and NTFS are Windows file system. And HFS is used on Macs, Linux use ext2, ext3, FAT32, Unix system use UFS, ext2, ext3, and ZFX. Makoy jing sidi na koy na ningjing batare, masida isda toidog na ay na explain to matumda ayeng to nga na sige NTFS na karino, FAT32 na karino na just definition ama ni piba na tana ate ito po toidog na sida isda piningay laite. So you have to remember all these things. Okay. Akoi hojuphogi di sigi sidai yaur se file system bo kaktani makata ba atai content jing ado ai matang da ppt du pirage ko yeng si nga sai koi na hai gi bodo koi na hai gi bodo nga sai gi du yeng si ko sini C drive se sidai sta nangi kedoba system gi file sing do laire d ai onto e onto sidai sida f hapsale g hapsale hai riba mayam sing se kayano nangi ngasagi partition sing duneba tawbudabu aigi laptop sida yawriba aigi system sida yawriba hard disk se kayano hai tardi only one hard disk to ina kedoba partition se manga thona pirei ne yandai ko aina sida single letter c d e f g ina laise masi akoi gi kedoba nangi ngasagi partition letter akoi gi drive letter duneba sida ung yeng si ko ai use hang to rese nasagi system ge ma yawi dana logical partition ge ka yawu do koi computer de loina yeng wi ai hai bu ni ko sida piri jo ai gi sida ngo logical drive hydra dija easy jo logical drive hydra sigi g is in a personal sorry primary partition hydra c is jo system boot page file active crash dump and a primary in hydra primary partition sidong kazu primary partition nasai gi kari hai gi primary partition mari leiba yai haidra mari dai aina kaigo primary partition mari tham taragadi kaidore aingon da nasai gi partition je mayeng tare ai wale ko aduna aina kaidore primary partition ahum thame aduduga amaduna extended oina seasonaraga logical oina hapine kentai ko extended ngasagi partition type to the extended toraga logical the multiple akoi kena to reje sigida yango blue the loina lebane primary partition ngai se aduga extended torakibisina si drive ama kakdani ko ma je ine extended on to kibaini sina green the uraga koi sidai sida light blue do ina uri sina koi ki navy colored ure ko sina light blue da tawbudabu ma je mu kaidawi green na mu kaidawa round ko silanganeba. That means this is the extended partition type and these are the logical type. Khangadra aduna nakoina hayeng kaigama computer lawrakpa matamda laptop lawrakpa matamda nangi partitions multiple partition pame hairak targadi kedoba primary partition yamabda ani guma thambiramo just 2 partition and then rest you can convert into the extended and you can make a logical drives to make a n number of logical drives in your laptop or computer. Masi akoina hayeng command sing je tawdini nakoina tamma matam sida di yauroi tawbudabu knowledge ti leishala ho khangani ko
khangani
any doubts lebra haidi ngasi gi di sida is the class loidorabani ppt je almost page lotion gare laita target laite bako okay laita target di loisalasi duga hayeng makha tabda nangi sigi file system ji gi makha taba topics to loktarasi duga kena tawse yarag okay yaragadi ne aikoi kena tawse